At the break of dawn, fresh papayas are carefully harvested by hand to protect their quality.
The harvested fruit is collected and transported quickly to prevent bruising. Fresh papayas begin their journey from the farm toward the processing facility. Before entering, every load is checked and logged to ensure traceability. The fruit is unloaded and prepared for the first stage of cleaning.
Workers remove any damaged or overripe fruits before washing.
Every papaya is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, latex, and surface contaminants.
Soft rotating brushes polish the papayas without damaging their skin.
Advanced cameras sort the fruit by size, color, and ripeness. Final manual inspection ensures only the best papayas move forward.
Each fruit is trimmed precisely to prepare for peeling. High-speed peelers remove the outer layer without wasting valuable fruit.
Each fruit is cut cleanly to expose the fresh, ripe center.
Seeds are removed carefully, leaving clean, fresh papaya halves. A fresh water rinse ensures every piece is clean and ready for slicing. Precision blades transform the fruit into ready-to-eat pieces. Trained eyes ensure only perfect pieces continue forward. A chilled wash keeps the fruit fresh and safe for consumption.
Excess water is removed to maintain the perfect texture.
Cold air gently removes moisture while preserving natural sweetness.
Before packaging, the papaya is cooled to lock in freshness.
Metal detectors ensure the final product is completely safe.
Advanced weighing systems portion each pack with perfect accuracy. The packaging film forms instantly as fruit fills each pouch. Strong heat seals lock-in freshness and protect the fruit. The sealed packs travel forward for labeling and batch coding. A laser printer adds essential details for safety and traceability. Labels are checked for accuracy to guarantee perfect presentation. The fresh packs are arranged into trays for easy handling. Trays are sealed tight to preserve freshness and flavor.
Flat cartons are folded flawlessly, ready to hold the finished packs.
Every tray is packed carefully to keep the fruit protected. A final inspection guarantees the right quantity in every box.
Automated taping seals each carton securely for transport.
Labels add essential product details and traceability.
Check weighing ensures every shipment meets exact standards. The packed cartons move forward for pallet stacking.
Robotic palletizing speeds up the packing process with accuracy.
Strong stretch film secures each pallet for safe transport.
Forklifts transport the pallets into cold storage or loading bays.
The pallets are transported safely through the warehouse for final checks. Each pallet is weighed to confirm shipment totals and accuracy.
Barcodes are scanned to log the pallet into the tracking system.
Wrap integrity is checked so the load stays secure during transport. The loading bay opens to receive the waiting transport truck. Pallets are loaded steadily into the temperature-controlled truck. Correct positioning keeps the load stable during long transport. Once the pallet is secured inside, the forklift exits for the next load. The doors are locked tightly to protect the fresh shipment.
The fresh papaya packs begin their journey to markets across the region.
Every shipment exits through strict security for documentation and safety. Upon arrival, the truck aligns carefully with the receiving dock. The receiving team opens the chilled trailer to begin unloading.
A forklift enters the trailer to unload each pallet safely. The pallets are stored in temperature-controlled racking systems. Selected trays are removed for sampling and quality verification. Weight consistency ensures every tray meets customer expectations.
Random units are opened to inspect freshness and texture.